What's up guys, I'm James, this is the Great Gambino channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the HDCool HC8000 Ultra HD 4K Action Cam. Now the camera is already out of the box, I've already used it, but I'm going to go through here and show you all the products and all the different accessories that come with it. Taking a look at the camera, it is in a waterproof case. I'll give it a quick little spin around, and then I'll show you a little bit more about that later. We have our basic typical user manual that I'll never read. It does come with a second battery, which is a nice bonus at this price range. Of course, we have standard USB charge cables. You can see here there's a few camera faceplate covers that you can use to change the look of the camera if you like. And here's a better shot of the waterproof case that it comes with. Pretty standard, and it includes the button extensions. Here's a bunch of extra accessories. It's not going to show everything, but it does have most of what you would need to get the action shot and the standards that would come with pretty much all the action cameras that are out there today. And here's a shot of the camera itself. Spinning it around, you see the up-down function that you use to select through the menu. And here's that second battery that's already loaded into the camera. You have your basic screen. It's not the best screen, but it does the job. Button functions on the top to start the camera. And we have the power in the front. And if you flip it over to the side, you have the USB charge outlets and your micro SD slot. Real quick, I'm going to show you a couple of the menu functions that I think are important to get you up and running. Now, if you have the camera on to the viewing mode, all you have to do is hit the top OK button and it will start recording. Tap the button one more time and it'll stop. Now, if you notice right now, I have it set to 1080p 60 frames a second. If you want to change that, you have to go through the menu by hitting the front power button. You have to shuffle through until it brings you to the actual gear icon. Once you see that, you want to go ahead and hit the top OK button. That's going to be your button to select anything that you want. Now, once you've selected the menu option that you need, you want to hit the side buttons on the camera. That'll navigate you up and down. That way you can get into the option you want to select. Now for this particular video, I'm going to stick to 1080p 60 frames a second footage, but if you do want to see what the 4K 30 frames a second footage looks like, I will have a link down below to a short montage so you can get a taste of that. Now one more thing that I thought was important to show is that when you start using this camera, it's going to have time code and date in the top left side of the screen. Now I personally don't need that to be on my footage, so what you do to get rid of it is you want to go back into that menu gear options. Once you're in there, you want to navigate over to that triple dash line and drag all the way down to the bottom where you'll see time watermark. Now untick the box and boom, you'll no longer have that text display on your video. So that's pretty much some of the functions that I think are important to know right out of the box. So without further ado, let's jump into some test footage. Now, there are definitely better action cameras out there, but I have to say, for the price I paid of $55, this is a great camera for the money. So in that price range, I definitely do recommend it. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to click that bell button. That way you get automatic updates to my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.